So in this video, we will actually be connecting our domain to our GoHighLevel account. So for that purpose, go to settings, and then here you can find domain and URL redirects. Once you are in here, enter your domain, connect a domain, and then funnel website. So we are using that for funnel and websites. So connect and enter your domain name and continue. So there are two options. If you have the uh, your domain host is actually in the same window just like me, you can add record manually, or you can go continue and that will automatically add the records. But I am showing you how to add that manually. So add record manually, and now you actually need to add two records, A records and CNAME records. So now go to products and then go to DNS in the GoDaddy. As you can see, there are multiple A records found. You need to actually delete the A records. So I have actually removed the A record from the GoDaddy, and now it doesn't actually show me the issue that was previously showing in here, that multiple A records found. Now I actually need to add the records. So for that purpose, we need to add A record and CNAME record. So first add A records, and we have host is add new record. Choose the record type, that is A, and here you can enter A and then record value, that is required value, which is this one, and add more records. And now we actually need to add CNAME records. Yes, CNAME and then name, and then we need to add the required value, that is also added, and save all records. Once these records are saved in your GoDaddy account, then you can go to GoHighLevel and then verify records. It will take few seconds to few minutes to actually verify that. So it says CNAME record conflict with another record. So we actually need to delete the CNAME record that are already existing. As you can see, once I have actually removed the records and now the site is in GoHighLevel, now I can actually connect to my domain is in GoHighLevel. Now I can connect to my website or funnel, whatever I want to connect. So this is how you can actually connect your uh, domain with GoHighLevel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.